Good evening, students. Welcome you all for our history online class. Students, today we are going to start civics chapter Rural Local Self Government. Large majority of people live in villages. Children who provide them drinking water, proper roads, electricity, sanitization, education, healthcare, etc. Without these basic facilities, it is difficult to lead a good life. An individual cannot afford these facilities by himself. So the government provides these basic amenities to people. A vast country with a population of 1.35 billion. Therefore, it is impossible for the central and the state government to solve all the problems at a local level. The problems can be better understood by the people who are suffering from them. Only a government at the local level can solve these problems properly. What a local self-government? Local self-government is an institution consisting of a locally elected representative looking after the problems of the locality and providing basic amenities. Local self-governing bodies are of two types, known as rural and urban. Rural refers to villages and urban refers to towns and cities. The Panchayati Raj system. The local self-government in the villages is called the Panchayati Raj. What is Panchayati Raj? The word Panchayat means a group of 5 people. Since ancient times, the villagers will elect 5 elderly people. They will deal with local problems and solve disputes between people. All the villagers abided by their decision. During British rule in India, this system began to decline. India, after independence, adopted Government of India passed 73rd Constitutions of Amendment in 1992. It gave a legal status to Panchayati Raj system. Structure of Panchayati Raj. The Panchayati Raj has a 3-tiered structure. Gram Panchayat at village level, Block Samiti at block level, and Jila Parishad at district level. Students, let's learn about the first of Panchayat system at the village level. It is usually divided into 3 parts: Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyay Panchayat. Gram Sabha. Who are the members of Gram Sabha? Men and women above 18 years of age. Gram Sabha. Gram Sabha holds a meeting at least twice a year. It works like an assembly. Functions. Discuss important matter and problems of the villagers. Elect the Sarpanch. Manage account of income and expenditure. Power to remove non-performing member. Gram Panchayat. Gram Panchayat can be set up in villages with a population of around 500. Every Gram Panchayat is divided into smaller areas called ward. Every ward elects a representative known as ward members. A Gram Sabha consists of 5 to 30 ward members. The Sarpanch heads the Gram Panchayat. The size of the Gram Panchayat varies widely from state to state. Composition of Gram Panchayat. It consists of first, ward members. Second, Sarpanch or Pradhan. Third, Vice Sarpanch. Fourth, some seats are reserved for scheduled caste, scheduled tribe and backward class. Fifth, 1/3 seats are reserved for women. 6. Panchayat Secretary, permanent employee of the Gram Panchayat appointed by government, receives a monthly salary. What are the functions of Gram Panchayat? Clean drinking water. It provides maintenance roads and street light, health facilities through dispensaries, helps farmers by providing them with a better seeds and fertilizers, records birth and death in the villages, proper education and supervises the schools, organize village markets and set up libraries. Sources of income. Gram Panchayat get its income from taxes on houses, shops, fairs, fees on sale and purchase of property and cattle. Gets grants from the state government through Block Samiti and Zilla Parishad. Nyay Panchayat. Some villages have Nyay Panchayats. There is normally one Nyay Panchayat for 4 to 5 villages. It is called the village court. It settles minor disputes. It provides cheap and speedy justice to peoples living in that village. The members of the Nyay Panchayat are elected by the Gram Panchayat. It has the power to impose fine on a guilty party. It cannot sentence anyone to jail. If people are not satisfied with Nyay Panchayat, they can go to higher courts. Hope you understood today's lecture. In this lesson, we learned today first, local self-government. Second, the Panchayati Raj system. What is Panchayat? Fourth, structure of Panchayati Raj system. Fifth, 3 parts of Panchayati Raj system at a village level: Gram Sabha, Gram Panchayat and Nyay Panchayat. Students, this is your homework. You have to write it in your notebook. Okay, thank you.